Today I'll show you how MP4 video recovery actually works. Lots of people can recover their video files, but sometimes they will be incomplete or they won't play. This, however, does not mean that they're unrecoverable. The real reason is because of how SD cards store data. Over long periods of time, they can split up the data into fragments across the card. So the recovery isn't about just getting the file back, it's about putting that fragmented data back together again. So the first thing you want to do is stop using the camera or the card to make sure that the data doesn't get overwritten. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the SD card from here and connect it to our computer. After you get it connected to your computer, we're going to be using a tool that will help you repair your MP4 video files during recovery. We're going to be using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Its SmartSector Rebuild technology can automatically detect and reconstruct fragmented files, which significantly boosts recovery rates. So once we open EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, we're going to go ahead and go to the SD card option. This is specifically designed for Sony, Canon, GoPro, drones, and other devices that store files in fragmented formats. Once you confirm that you're using the right SD card, we're going to go ahead and press Search for Lost Data. Now during this process, we're going to get a real-time preview of all of the files that it is recovering and looking for on the SD card. We can filter by path. We can filter by type. We can also search by file name, and this makes it really easy for us to find the target files that we're looking for. The tool will also automatically start repairing damaged video files after scanning. SSR Tech reconstructs the files to their original condition. Now, once we get some results to recover, we can see that we're able to preview the repair results before we're even doing the recovery process. This allows you to see your recovery results prior to buying. You're given 2 GB of free data recovery. You can first test the results with the free quota. No need to worry about paying for nothing. I'm going to go ahead and select these files and do recover. Now there's a file repair option. We're going to leave it on to improve the success rate. We're going to go ahead and select another drive to save our data to. Always make sure that you're recovering to another drive to ensure safe recovery and prevents data overwriting. Now we're going to go ahead and press save. It will go ahead and open the destination drive. We can go ahead and open this up. And we can verify that our files work. Seems like it's working pretty well to me, but you may still encounter some MP4 video files not working properly, and we have another step for this. This is likely happening due to the file being too severely fragmented or damaged. We can use the repair tool. We can repair recovered files individually, and you can go to the location of those files. You can go ahead and open it, and you can repair the file and do the same steps that we did previously. And hopefully once that's done, your file is successfully repaired. Now, not all MP4 files can be repaired. This is usually due to corruption or issues during the recording or the writing process, which means there's no data to be recovered. If this still doesn't help you, let me know down in the comments your situation. We'll be happy to help.